Let me tell you something. The way YouTubers make thumbnails has officially changed forever. And the craziest part is you can do it free. No Photoshop, no Canva headaches, no struggling to make your text pop. And yes, you can make a thumbnail in a matter of minutes, 3 minutes to be specific. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I create thumbnails that are starting to outperform anything that I've used in the past. So much so that my click-through rate has jumped significantly. And while this may not translate into views at this time, it's because of my demonetized situation that's now being resolved. But when you look, as I'm showing you here, at my actual click-through rate compared to what it was in the past, it has improved in a very tangible way. And as you know, a thumbnail alone can be the difference between a video getting 500 views and a video getting 50,000 views. Let's get into it, rock stars. Welcome back to the Rockstar Academy, and I'm grateful that you're here, that you clicked play, and I'm excited about this topic because it's passing on knowledge that I'm finding value using. So if you appreciate me just sharing on YouTube, where you get access to this content free, please let me know in the comments or go ahead and like the video so at least I'll know that what I'm sharing is adding value. Now, before I explain quickly how to create these thumbnails, let me first talk about why this matters. People think getting views on YouTube is only about the video. But before anyone sees your video content, before they hear your wisdom, before they learn anything that you have to share, they see one thing: your thumbnail. This is your first impression, your storefront, as an example, your handshake. When I started YouTube, my thumbnails were very casual. I'm gonna go and try to find some that were posted on this channel in the past. It was basically screenshots with text. And when I upgraded to professional thumbnails, which back then I used Canva and other tools, I spent a lot of time researching these thumbnails and also building them. And as a result of better thumbnails, my income went from about $1,900, as I'm showing you here, in a month to over $30,000 US in 1 month, as I'm showing you here from my YouTube earnings, which is the payment proof. And I'm not saying that thumbnails alone did that, rock stars. Absolutely not. But it definitely increased my click-through rate. And on YouTube, CTR, or click-through rate, is everything. Now, all that said, let me quickly show you how to create a 3-minute thumbnail that's gonna look like you paid a professional to create it. Now, the first step is to start with your video title. And here's the first thing that I do when I'm getting ready to create my thumbnail. I try to write down a 2-sentence summary, which is very short, of what my video is about. Let me show you a hypothetical example. Let's say, as an example, that our video title is How to Save $500 Fast, 7 Practical Ways Anyone Can Start Today. You could pop this title into ChatGPT and say, give me 2 sentences that describe this particular title. And as you can see here, we're gonna get an example. And if you don't like this one, you can ask ChatGPT to generate additional short descriptions for your video based on the title. This 2-sentence summary is critical for the next step, which is step 2. And here we're gonna use ChatGPT to generate all the metadata for your video. And of course, you can use a free version of ChatGPT to do this. Now, this that I'm showing you here on screen is the exact prompt that I use every time I'm about to post a video to generate everything I'll need to post said video. I'm gonna place the prompt in the description of this video so you can easily copy and paste it and use it repeatedly on future occasions. From this one prompt, ChatGPT is gonna give us SEO optimized title ideas, the text that should go on your thumbnail, which is what we're talking about here, the actual thumbnail style. It's going to give you some suggestions. It's going to give you a full description for your video as well as a bonus, because that's not what we're talking about today. It's also going to give you high ranking keywords, hashtags, and even a pinned comment that you can post after your video goes live and tag it so that you can start the engagement with your viewers. Now, let's say the thumbnail text that ChatGPT recommends for the same video title that I shared earlier is Save $500 Fast. This is the thumbnail text that we're going to use to generate our thumbnails. Now let's move to step 3, which is to generate the thumbnail, and we're going to do so with a prompt in ChatGPT. And again, you can use the free version. Now, under the same conversation in ChatGPT, where we got the metadata, the title, the description, and all of that, you're going to copy this next prompt that I'll paste in the description, and you're gonna paste it in the prompt box. And it reads, give me a bold, attention-grabbing thumbnail that will get a high click-through rate on YouTube. The thumbnail text is, and you're gonna enter your thumbnail text here that you copied earlier, and then the prompt continues. I will be using Google's Nano banana to create this thumbnail and will upload a photograph of myself or the main character on the thumbnail referred to as the subject. Include all the details in the thumbnail image generation prompt. The thumbnail should be 16:9 size. Now, if you have a face channel, meaning one where you show your face, and you want your face to be on your thumbnail, you're gonna need a photo that you'll use in the next step. If it's a faceless channel, you can use the prompt and remove the section of the prompt here that speaks to you uploading an image or a photograph. You can also upload a digitally created or an AI generated photograph for your faceless channel as well, because I find that for my faceless channels, my video thumbnails get a lot more clicks when there's an image of someone on there that people can relate to. Now, as you can see here, after entering this prompt, ChatGPT will generate a full thumbnail prompt description. It will include details like the lighting, the colors, the font, how you are going to appear or how your image is going to appear on that thumbnail, what the background of the thumbnail should look like, the positioning, the contrast, the icons. If you want money graphics, it's going to describe it. Basically, it gives Nano Banana the exact ingredients to cook the perfect thumbnail for you. Let's move to step 4 in the process, which is to sign up, which you can use your Gmail email to get access to Nano Banana, and I'll put the link in the description. And what we're gonna do is click on the link and head over to Nano Banana Pro, or you can Google it because none of these are affiliate links. It is free to use with a few limitations, but you can definitely test this out and create a few thumbnails per day using the free version. If I remember correctly, I believe you can generate about 3 to 5 thumbnails or images per day. Watermark may appear depending on what version you're using, but you can easily crop the thumbnail to remove that. What you're gonna get from Nano Banana is an on-point thumbnail with high quality. And if you generate that thumbnail and you don't think the quality is good enough, just go back into Nano Banana and say, make this thumbnail ultra high resolution. Now, on Nano Banana, on the home page, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna upload our photograph. Let's say it's a face channel and you want to show your face on the thumbnail. So just find that photograph, and as I'm showing you here, you're gonna upload it. Nano Banana calls your photograph the subject. You're gonna paste the thumbnail image generation prompt that we got from ChatGPT in the command box right here on Nano Banana, and we're gonna click generate. And as you can see, in a few seconds, we get this, rock stars. Yes, this was created in about 3 minutes. Now that's the basic process for creating a thumbnail. But I want to show you how to create some thumbnails for different niches as an example, so you see how versatile this Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana tool is to generate thumbnails in record time. Prompt number 1. Let's say your content is about finance and making money, like this channel. And let's say the text on your thumbnail is make $500 a day. This I'm showing you here is an example of a prompt that you can get generated using ChatGPT. And this rock stars that I'm showing you here on screen is the result for this thumbnail. Let's use another example. Let's say you share fitness content on YouTube and the thumbnail text is lose 20 pounds fast. I'm showing you here on screen an example of a prompt that was generated using ChatGPT, getting that image generation prompt for the thumbnail. And this right here is the thumbnail or the results that was created from that thumbnail image generation prompt. Here's another example. If you have a food or a cooking channel, and let's say your thumbnail text is 5-minute meals. As you can see here, this is the prompt that we got from ChatGPT that we placed in Nano Banana, and this is the result of the thumbnail that was generated. Let's try a few more for the fun of it. Motivation. Let's say your niche is to inspire and motivate, and the text for your thumbnail is change your life. Here's a prompt that was generated using the process I just showed you with ChatGPT, and this is the result after we pasted this prompt in Nano Banana. Let's say your channel is news or commentary, and the text on your thumbnail is breaking update. Again, here is the prompt, and if you want, you can screen capture these prompts if you want to use them for your own purposes. But voila, here is the thumbnail that Nano Banana generated. Now, if you're wondering again why thumbnails matter so much, let's bring it back in full circle. Researchers across YouTube have shared studies that have found that thumbnails account for up to 90% of viewers' decisions to click. Basically, it's the thumbnail look and feel that gets people to click 90% of the time. High-performing thumbnails can double or triple video views, and I am testament to that when I changed my thumbnail strategy, and that's what helped propel my channel to 1 million subscribers in a little over a year, or it was closer to 2 years if I remember correctly. In essence, better thumbnails equals more clicks. More clicks will result in more watch time, and more watch time will result in more recommendations for your videos. More recommendations will result in more views, and more views will result in more money. This is why creators with great thumbnails like myself, when I changed the strategy back in the day, grew so fast. Now again, this video is for educational purposes, and I'm not offering a guarantee that says using this strategy is going to lead to additional earnings or is going to allow you to make a lot more money. I'm simply sharing a tool and a strategy that I have used successfully to not just get more clicks, but also to personally earn more. What you achieve will depend on your own creativity, consistency, and your execution. The fact that thumbnails used to take me half an hour to create and now they're taking me 3 minutes, it just means that I can take my content to another level. And if you're interested in selling thumbnails to content creators, you can always create a profile on a platform like Fiverr or Upwork and sell these thumbnails that you create in 3 minutes for $15, $10, or I've seen in some instances thumbnails selling for even $30. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, I'd appreciate you letting me know in the comments. And until next time, walk good.